Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Roar plus ink. Roar ink. Twin plus T's. Twin T's. Roaring 20s. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Boy, there must have been a hurricane force wind here a few moments ago. We almost lost one of our trees. And they're in such beautiful autumnal colors right now. Yeah. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Classic Concentration. I hope you were watching yesterday because that's when this lady joined us for the first time. Her name is Faith Scorza. Welcome back. Scorza, tell me a little bit about yourself. We got you involved in the game so quickly yesterday, I didn't get a chance to talk to you.
Well, I have two children, daughters, 12 and 4. And
which one's the biggest handful?
The 4-year-old.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah, very soon when your 12-year-old starts dating, you will change your opinion, I'm sure.
No, because it's not going to be too soon and she's going to start dating. So.
No?
Nah.
How many more years? When she's 25, you'll let her date?
She's 17.
17. Good attitude, Faith. And good luck to you on the program today. You've got
Thank
one
you.
strike against you, of course, because you lost a game yesterday. But Tim has one strike against him also. His name is Tim Warnicke, and he has won close to $16,500, including a fabulous vacation in St. Martin, one in Singapore. You got some other place you would like to go that appears on our program quite often?
Someplace in that car, that's where I'd like to
You
go.
want to go someplace in a car. All right. He's been having some bad luck in the winner's circle. Let's go right into this game. If you guys like to shop, you're going to love this prize.
A shopping spree at Rodeo Drive's fashion store for men and women, Fred Heyman, Beverly Hills. Select from designer fashions and their exclusive 273 fragrance for women and men. Furnished by Fred Heyman, Beverly Hills. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. Tim and Faith, take a look at our board. Number 2 is where the shopping spree is hiding. And Faith, you get to select first because you lost that game yesterday.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 19.
Shopping spree.
And number 2, please.
Number 2. You could enjoy a shopping spree in Beverly Hills on Rodeo Drive. Open these 2 panels for Faith, please. Select again.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 16, please.
Wild card.
Oh, let's go for a trip under number 14.
Okay. No, we've got a dartboard set. That's a fun prize. The other dartboard set, number 11, 3 more panels swinging open for the lady. Try it again.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 10, please.
CD player.
And the match for that under number 12.
New York,
New York.
New York. That's the vacation in this one. Tim, over to you.
Okay, let's look for a match to New York under number 13.
Red take.
Okay. How about the match to that under number 9?
No, that's a hot air balloon ride. Faith?
Looks like fun. Okay, let's find the wild card of the match for the trip under number 6, please.
Diamond and sapphire
That's
pendant.
nice.
Yes.
Let's find a match for that under number 18.
Food processing. Gosh, no match again. Tim?
How about number 20?
Hot air balloon ride. You
And number 9
You
for the
saw
match.
that just a moment ago at number 9. You were right. And that gives you a chance to study the puzzle and perhaps offer a solution to it. Go again.
How about number 5?
Green take.
Okay, I think we saw the red one earlier. Let's go to number 21 for the match.
New York, New York. You may have helped Faith to a shot at a vacation in the Big Apple.
Okay, let's see what's under number 12. And
Right.
the match for that under number 21.
That's it. New York, New York. Prize is building up very nicely in her side of the board. Let's see what happens as we open these 2 doors, though.
A bump in the night.
Is it a bump in the night? No, it is not.
Okay, let's see what's under number 4.
Food processor.
We saw that.
Yes, we
I think
did.
it was under number 18.
Food processor. We're cruising now, Faith. one.
just got to solve the puzzle, huh?
Yeah, that's all. Small problem. Look at it carefully. Go again.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 7, please.
Executive gift basket.
Oh, let's see if we can find the match for that under number 25.
No, green take. Tim?
Okay, we saw that green take. Number 5 and number
Green
25.
take. 25, that's right. Well, you wanted to go somewhere in a brand new car. You didn't mention anything about New York, and that's a good prize in Faith's column.
Let's take it.
Take it now?
I've always wanted to go to New York.
Take it now, he says. And does that mean that he is close to solving this puzzle? Let's find out. Open it up.
Is it a bolt out of the blue?
Is it a bolt out of the blue? Oh, boy. A couple of important pieces of that puzzle were not visible. Tim came through anyway and solved the puzzle. Let's go to the board. Oh, good move, Tim.
Okay, we've got the hay for A, the bowl of fruit plus the T, a bolt out of the dove, the blue. A bolt out of the blue.
Well done. Well done indeed. Faith, gosh darn, didn't work out. You've got 2 strikes against you, and so it's a permanent goodbye from us,
Okay.
but it was nice having you with us.
Well,
on
I had a lot of fun.
Concentration.
Thank you.
Well, I'm glad you feel that. You take care. So long, Faith. All right, Tim. More prizes coming your way. Let's hear about them. Gene.
A hot air balloon ride and New York, New York. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to New York. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And for 6 nights, you'll vacation in New York at the elegant Halloran House in the heart of Midtown Manhattan, a gracious hotel offering comfort, lovely amenities, and fine dining furnished by the Halloran House. And Tim, this is a prize package totaling $3,420.
So you are a shade under $20,000 with another opportunity to win a brand new car. When we come back, of course.
Okay.
During the break, Tim, I was overhearing somebody in the audience saying, gosh, he's been so close so many times. Actually, it hasn't been all that many times, but you have come very, very close. Yep. You leave it to the last 2 seconds, and then you miss it. Don't let that happen today. Here are the 15 numbered squares. We've added 5 seconds to the clock. You've got a full 55 seconds to work with. You ought to be able to do it. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 2.
Nope.
3, 4.
No.
5, 4.
No.
3, 5.
Right.
6, 7.
Nope.
8, 9.
Nope.
4, 10.
No.
1, 10.
Right.
11, 8.
Yes.
12, 2.
Yes.
13, 6.
Nope.
7, 14.
Yes.
15, 4.
Right.
6, 9.
Nope.
6, 13.
Nope.
9, 13.
That's charade again, but this time it works for you, Tim. Congratulations. 12 seconds left on the clock. That's good going. Tell him about the car, Gene, while he's getting all these hugs and kisses.
Tim, you've just won this Daihatsu Charade SE 3-door hatchback. Features a 1.0-liter single overhead cam 4-cylinder engine, 5-speed manual transmission and front disc brakes. Furnished by Daihatsu, a prize worth over $6,900.
And Tim has been saying time and time again that the Charade was the car that has caused him all of his problems. Who's this lovely young lady next to you?
This is my daughter, Jessica,
And the lovely,
my wife,
taller
Linda.
lady next to her. Jessica and Linda. Well, they're both very excited. We all are, because you're going to be leaving us with $26,934 in prizes, Tim. Congratulations. You're a good champion. Wasn't your daddy great? Yes, he was. We'll take a break. When we come back, we've got some new players on Classic Concentration. very happy family. The Warnickies just left us with about $27,000 in prizes, including that brand new car, and so we welcome two newcomers. The lovely lady on my right is Patty Barrett. Welcome, Patty.
Hi, Alex.
Tell me about yourself very quickly.
I'm married for 6 years. I have a beautiful little daughter, Megan. She's 11 months.
And where are you from?
Michigan.
Michigan?
East Detroit.
Yeah? You've been down here in California long?
3 years.
3? You like it?
No, we're moving back.
We may get a chance to talk about that later. Right now, I want to introduce your opponent in this match. His name is Jim Grant. Hello, Jim.
Hello, Alex. Nice
Where are
to
you
meet
from?
San Diego.
Aha. You like it here?
I love it here. I've been here
What do you
11
do?
years. I work for a major freight handler and also move household goods.
And I hear you're a pretty good concentration player. We are about to find out.
I hope
Take a
so.
look over here, and we're going to show you what the two of you are playing for in this first game. A lovely prize.
What a way to go in this Honda Elite scooter, which features an 80cc four-stroke engine, automatic transmission, electric starter, and room for two. Alex.
And we'll show you where you can find that on the board. It is at number 5. Now, in this game, we also have those 5 bonus car seconds. We have $700 in the cash pot. We have a vacation in Jamaica. And we have just the one wild card to help you. Jim, you get to go first.
Let's start out with lucky number 8, Alex.
Rowing machine.
Rowing machine. Could get into a boat and try that with number 19.
Diamond bracelet. No match there. But something occurs to me. Did we show you where the scooter was a moment ago?
Yes.
We did?
Yes.
Gosh, is my mind going
Did you
back?
forget already?
It's the end of the week. It's fall, and my mind starts going into hibernation, you see. By next Tuesday, there will be nothing left. Make a selection, Patty.
I'm going to look for Jamaica. I think it's under number 14.
No, that's the
Well,
rowing machine.
That's okay. I'll take the rowing machine under number 8.
There's a match for you, early match.
Start.
And we will open those two panels.
A lot showing there, but I don't know it.
Did you make a match just now?
Yes.
You did. That's why we opened those two panels, isn't it? I'm losing it, folks. Make another selection.
What day is it?
Oh, I'm doing it too soon. Yes, I should have waited till Tuesday. Go
I'm going
again.
to still look for Jamaica under number 2.
5 bonus car seconds.
Oh, that would be great. Number 18 for the match.
Do we have one for you? No, that's the
Cash
cash
pot.
pot. Remember, there's $700 in there. Jim?
Let's try and open up more around number 7 to start, Alex.
Red take.
And how about number 24?
Nope. Designer. This is designer window blinds. Fancy.
Okay, I'm going to go to number 7.
Red take.
Oh, they just did red take. Match under number 16.
Obviously, it's Tuesday for you also.
Yeah.
5 bonus car seconds. Jim, we've seen them.
I believe that's number 2, Alex.
Correctamente.
And number 16.
There's a match. And what that means, of course, is that if you get to the winner's circle following this game, you will have not base time of 35 seconds, but 35 plus 5 for 40 seconds. Open it up for him.
Hope I get there. Not enough yet, Alex. Let's try and open up more near the bottom with number 17.
Cash pot.
Number 24, Alex.
Designer window blind. We keep going back to those
Thanks,
for
Jim.
some reason.
I
Patty?
think the cash pot was under number 18
Yes.
and number 17 for the match.
$700.
Good.
Could use it, couldn't it?
I could use $700.
So could we all. 2 more panels opening up on that second line from the bottom. Select again, Patty.
Number 15,
Motor scooter.
number 5 for the match.
Motor scooter is right.
That's a nice surprise.
You bet it is.
Okay.
And in these days of the gas crunch, that would be a great way to commute back and forth to work. Open it up. Tough puzzle. Patty, select again.
Number 21,
Living room
that would
ensemble.
be nice. I could use that. The match under number 4,
Wild
All right.
card, so you're going to get it. The other living room ensemble is at number 6 in that first column, so 2 doors are going to open up there for you, and the wild card spot as well. Let's do it. Keep going, Patty.
Jamaica under number 11, maybe?
Is it? No, we've got a
Pasta
pasta
maker.
maker.
The match under number 1,
Green take. Guess what, Jim? You get to play again.
I'm ready, Alex. Let's try number 23. Open up a new piece.
Ladies' swimwear collection.
And I don't think we've seen number 20.
Green take. We have seen the green take before. Does Patty remember?
Oh my gosh. I'm going to kill myself if I don't get it. Number 1.
There's the green take.
Number 20 for the match.
I'm so glad you made the match. I hate violence, particularly self-inflicted violence.
I think I'm going to take his 5 bonus car second.
Really?
Yeah.
That quickly? Obviously, that
I'm
is a
taking
very
it.
attractive prize. I'm
Yes.
glad we added it to our show yesterday. Let's open these 2 panels for Patty Barrett. She's got a lot of good stuff in her column. Pick again.
Number 9, please. Jamaica.
There's Jamaica.
There you are. Oh.
This is Jamaica, New York, by the way.
Number 23 for the match.
Ladies' swimwear collection. Actually, it is the island of Jamaica, and you could use the ladies' swimwear collection down there. Jim?
Jamaica for me. Let's try 11, Alex.
Pasta maker.
And number 10.
Pasta maker. A match for Jim. A prize for Jim. His only prize, but it doesn't matter if he solves the puzzle right now. He plays for a car.
No guess.
Select again, then.
Number 19 to start.
Diamond bracelet.
And have we seen number 13 yet?
Diamond bracelet we have now. Jim is coming alive. Let's see what happens. Try it again.
Number 3, Alex.
Jamaica.
And number 9 for the match.
Everything seems to be falling into place for Jim Grant. Boy, what happens now, though?
I'm going to wait, Alex. I think I can make another match.
All right.
Number 12 to start.
Ladies' swimwear collection.
And number 22 for the match.
Oh. Patty, are you going to make him regret
think so.
getting
Want the
greedy?
swimwear anyway.
Number
He
20.
didn't want the swimwear. Remember, he said it, folks.
I'm sorry. Number 23.
Ladies' swimwear.
Number 12.
Number 12. Now, you may want to wait for a few moments and make those other matches as well. You've got a lot on your column right now, Patty. Let's
First I
open
have
it
to
up.
build the puzzle, Alex.
Oh, that's true. That would help. Pick again. Whoa, there's the bell. Hands on your signaling buttons. We're going to start revealing with number 7. Number 22. Jim's in there first, and Patty goes, oh, Jim.
I knew it.
Without limitations?
Is it without limitations? No, it is not. Patty, we'll open these last 2 panels for you. Solve this puzzle.
Statute of limitations.
Is it statute of limitations? It worked out well after all. Explain it.
Okay, I didn't know what this was. I thought it was art. It was a statue, and a statue plus the T is statute of. I knew it was of, and I knew it was the limb plus the mat plus hay plus shins. Limitations. Statute of limitations.
Congratulations. Way to go. All righty. Jim, that's just the first strike against you. You're going to play again, but right now we'll say goodbye for a little bit.
Okay.
See you
later.
Jean, tell this lovely young lady what she has won. She had a lot of prizes in her column.
A cash pot worth $700, a rowing machine, and ladies' swimwear collection. See Fashions of California, sensational bikinis and mayos in a wonderful assortment of fabrics and colors. Swimsuits to make you look and feel terrific. Furnished by See Fashions of California, and a living room ensemble. Part of Lloyd Flanders' Heirloom Series Love Seat, Lounge Chair, and End Table. Man-made, all-weather wicker furniture pieces are designed for use indoors or out. Furnished by Lloyd Flanders. And, of course, the sporty motor scooter and the 5 bonus car section. A prize package worth $3,908.
It'll be worth a lot more than that if you win a brand new car. We'll take a break, come back and put her to the test right after this. Words for her, and I said, just win the car. She's ready to do that. Here are the 15 numbered squares. Normally, for a player having a first visit in the winner's circle, we have 35 seconds on the clock, but you picked up those 5 bonus seconds, so you have 40 to work with. Good luck, Patty. Off you go.
1, 3.
Nope.
7, 9.
No.
3, 9.
Right.
13. 15.
Nope.
4. 6.
Nope.
10. 13.
No.
15. 10.
Right.
12. 8.
Yes.
2. 5.
No.
6. 11.
No.
1. 6.
No.
11. 1.
Right.
14. 4.
Nope.
7. 13.
You're gonna come close, but you're not gonna make it. That's all
That was
right.
incredible. I thought it was like...
What was incredible?
I thought it was easier. I do it at home and I do so well.
Oh, yes, it's so easy at home. We'll take a break right now, and Patty and I will talk about this. Gene, what do you have to say?
Some of today's participants may receive the look of Bob Mitchell Designs. Fine hand-screened wall coverings and related fabrics offer the latest fashion and coloring from traditional to contemporary designs for your home, furnished by Bob Mitchell Designs. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
We have no time, so we'll say goodbye. Have a good weekend, and we'll see you Monday.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.